Have you ever dreamed of a place where time stands still? Just look at these hills covered in mist. Welcome to the magic of Tuscany. Check out this villa behind me. It's been standing here for centuries, waking up to this golden sunrise every single day. It's absolutely unreal. I'm standing right in the middle of a vineyard. Look at these fresh dewdrops on the leaves. You can literally smell the freshness in the air. And wait until you see this view. That winding road down there, that is exactly where we are going to ride today. Let's go. Every door here tells a story. This one looks like it leads to another world. Come on, let's open it and see what magic lies inside. We made it to the heart of Florence. Just look at the Duomo behind me. The detail on this marble is absolutely insane. It is huge. Walking through the streets near Ponte Vecchio now, it is super crowded, but the energy is electric. You can literally feel the history in the air. Okay, mandatory pit stop. I grabbed some authentic Italian gelato. Pistachio and strawberry. It looks so good. I think I'm gonna eat this in seconds.
We stepped inside to escape the crowd. Look at this lighting. It is so quiet and peaceful in here, like stepping back into the Renaissance.
Ended the day at Piazzale Michelangelo. The hike up here was tough, but for this sunset view over the city, it is absolutely worth it. We ditched the car and found this beauty, a classic Italian Vespa. Trust me, this is the only way to see the real Tuscany. Riding through these hills feels like a total dream. The wind in your face, the warm sun, it is just pure freedom out here. I just had to stop for this. Look at these sunflowers. Miles and miles of bright yellow stretching all the way to the horizon. Met this legend in the vineyard. He has been farming here for 50 years. He told me the secret ingredient to good wine is patience. Finally made it to our home for the night. A rustic stone farmhouse right in the middle of an olive grove. It is absolutely perfect. And just look at these grapes behind me. They are perfectly ripe and ready for harvest. This is exactly where that famous Tuscan wine begins. And here is the final result. Authentic Chianti Classico. Watching it pour into the glass, I can't wait to taste this. This spread is unbelievable. Fresh pasta, local cheese, and homemade bread. Everything here is sourced right from this farm. They say olive oil here is like liquid gold. Drizzling it on this fresh bruschetta, the smell alone is absolutely incredible. Ending the day the right way. Good food, amazing sunset, and great company. Cheers to the sweet life in Tuscany. This is it, the final sunset over Val d'Orcia. Look at those colors painting the sky. Honestly, I don't want to leave this place. Found the perfect spot to reflect on the whole trip. These hot springs at sunset. Standing here with the sun going down behind me, I realized something. Tuscany doesn't just show you beauty, it makes you feel it. The sun is gone now and the first stars are coming out. The day is officially over, but the memories of this place will last forever. Tuscany, you absolutely stole my heart. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, guys. See you in the next one. Ciao!